Oh, fuck. Alright, this one. Alright, there we go. Alright, welcome to episode Uno Dos. Now, today, we're gonna try to take a look at different things about bowling. And bowling is one of those games that you play when you're like shit-faced because you don't have anything to do, right? You have your friends over, you have fucking John, you have Timothy, you have Roberto waiting to arrive at your doorstep to play bowling at your local alley. And it's like, what's wrong with bowling? It's a fun sport, or sport. Fucking niggers. But the problem with that is if it was a sport, there'd be actual movement. Now, there's graphs out there that show that, half of the time when you're playing bowling, if you take three games, you lose 20 pounds. It's all bullshit. It's all propaganda. It's not just about losing weight and trying to play the game because you're a fat fuck. It's about being there for your friends when no one else would. Fuck. So, when you think about that next time when you're going bowling, you just think that, maybe I shouldn't do that because I'm not a stupid motherfucker like you. Yeah, man. I spit all over my monitor. It's the 7th time this week. These stupid fucking camel jockeys just coming in and taking all over our fucking bowling balls. It's like, I was down there once and I was trying to play bowling, and then every time that this fucking stupid black man comes in and he's like, oh, you can't just do that. That's my bowling ball. I had it in my hands. My stupid fucking kids, TJ and Tyrone, were all out doing the floss dance from Fortnite because they got their first strike at the age of 4. Like, nobody gives a fuck. Nobody gives a fuck about it. No, nobody cares that your special ed fucking children play Fortnite. It's like, I took the bowling ball from the black guy's hand, and he was holding on to it tight. His fucking fat thumb was stuck in my thumb hole. I had to lube it up to get it out of there. I was about to pull it out of the fucking joint. Now, it's just, it's not my fault that his fat fucking, lobster fingers can't fit through a goddamn bowling ball hole when in the first place you should go fucking work at the Gold's Gym. It's not my problem. It's not my job in society to just knock down a bunch of fucking pins with bowling balls and then go over there in an open public area and then talk about why I hate it. That's not what it's about. Bowling was supposed to be about... It was